Okay, by now you've probably heard of Apple's $19 polishing cloth that completely sold out. Well, they're finally getting some back, but not in the store. You gotta order it online. But when you look at it though, and you look at the cloth in here, it kind of looks like a larger polishing cloth, right? If you look at it there, you can kind of see it. So I went ahead and I ordered some. And so I wanted to show you guys that. This is basically the size. It's definitely not something as big as the picture shows on Apple's site. But pretty much, this is the polishing cloth. So we're going to go in here and we're going to open this up. So right here, you'll notice there's a little tab. Just simply grab the tab, pull it, and then it opens like this. Okay, and right here, inside, you'll notice here's the polishing cloth. And then they pretty much give you little instructions here, how to clean it, what to do with it. But this is it, front and back. This is the polishing cloth. So it's really not as gigantic or as big as the picture might show you. But in a sense, it does pretty much clean well the screens, cleans all your iPhones, your iPads, cleans your MacBooks, your Apple Watches. So it's a good thing to have around. It's made by Apple, so you know it's not going to scratch the screens or devices. But I just want to let you know the reality that if you're thinking it's a huge cloth, no. It's just going to be this little cloth here. And I think it's kind of worth the 19 bucks because so far it's been cleaning all my screens with no issues, no scratches, and they look very, very nice. So this is Apple's polishing cloth, 19 bucks. You got it ordered on apple.com, and I'll leave you guys a link somewhere, or you can go to my profile and get it. And basically that's it. I wanted to show it to you guys firsthand so you get an idea exactly what it is before you go and you order it. All right, you want more tips like this, more Apple products, go ahead and make sure you're following me here. Give me a like or thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later with more videos. I thank you for watching.